Okay, thank you.
We lost the spoon.
Hello.
Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm okay.
Spoon is here.
I just
Oh, thank you.
enjoy.
Where's the kids? There? Ah, okay. Thank you, lovely. Lovely.
Kuya. Hello.
Bye.
Kain tayo kasi frito guys. Sayang din. Yung ice cream yung may bayad.
Oh, yun lang.
Ay, no, pwede pala oh.
Oh, diba? Ganun nga. Hey guys, time. Barbecue time. Kaya may sound too.
Silent mo na lang.
Ah, oo.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hindi pa naman.
Pero parang technique. Yes. Can you have some loose hearts here? Yeah.
Yes. Let me make sure that they're cooked.
Okay, yeah.
It will be a couple minutes.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Ano si Go? Hi,
Enjoy it. That's how much? You went together on the side? Side? There you go.
Hi.
Hello, which one do you want?
I just
All of them?
all of them.
Oh, they're too healthy.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please.
You want some dinner?
Okay, yeah. Thank you so
Good
much.
man.
Yeah.
Where do you want? The side?
Yeah, this side.
There we
Thank
go.
you.
Enjoy that. Hello. All of them? Want to try some ice?
Ano yan? Alam?
They'll figure out. You see that?
Ato yung beef.
Thank you so much.
Does this rice go with
That's all.
Pwede daw yung curry daw.
Ito ba? Alam.
Ah, okay.
Enjoy that.
Ano sila po? Ayun, masarap yata yung curry.
Try ko lang. Gusto ko.
Naglalaway ako parang kambing ba yan? Ulam daw.
You need to try.
Beef in abo.
You need to try. Otherwise, you don't know what's the taste.
Serve you? I don't know. Yeah, you can. Okay, how are you? Good, thank you.
Chloe!
Like summer, yeah?
Hi!
Yeah. I like when you can put on your cardigan.
Hello.
Enjoy, guys.
Where's the kids?
This, maybe. It'll take a
Where's
while
the
to
kids?
answer that. Thank you.
Hi, Chloe! Chloe! Tara, tara! Ayun, nakuha ka natin. Pila ka na dun. Pumila ka dun. May barbecue. Pumila ka na. Aka po tayo. Ah, ganun? Oo nga, alam oras kayo, alauna. Kasi maaga sana kami, kaya lang nakatulog yung bata. Mga to. Okay. May ano to, may gato kung sala, yung nakita. Hindi, kuhaan kita. Oo. O yung dress, kuhaan mo, close na, may drink ka ba dyan? Hi guys. Okay. Hello. Oh, Andre, how are you? Where's Jewel? Is there? Nico. Hello. Inside. Oh, there. Okay. Inside here.
That was a headshot. What was this?
Okay. What's that? Oh, go guys. It's been there.
Hi.
Jewel, come here. Oh, ano yan?
Yes, I can do anything you want. I want flowers. Okay. What kind of flowers? Roses, daisies, biscuits. You want something like this? I like flowers. I want a butterfly. Okay, she wants that. Yeah, I want and then no, it's actually a face painting.
What's that? No, hindi na. Okay na, it's alright. Ano lang, take a look lang. Signal na sunod, oh. Wow.
Hi.
No. No, ate, no. Okay. Thank you so much. Andun, nagtitage painting. Si RJ yung ano nila, artist.
Ang Halloween ng ano ni RJ. Ang klase niya yan.
Oo. Pang Halloween, nilo.
Tingnan mo sa RJ. Kaklase niya kasi naglalito.
Pang Halloween.
Pagkita ko, ay ano ko pala yun? Nakita ko yung dami.
Nagkulit eh. How much? 250. Ah, 250. Thank you. Wait lang, sa kuya mo. You change. Don't forget it. Bigay mo kay mami mo din yan. Thank you.
I want to open it now.
Akin na. Akin na. Ah? Ang kulit, no? Gusto pa na ni Father naman punso pa ni Bika. Where's the younger sister? This one, oh, more younger. Pasakitin ulo mo ning eh. Kumain sila.
Hi, I'm gonna get ice cream and I'll go paste in my face as a face.
What color you want? Like color blue?
I don't know.
Okay, go. Come on, let's go. Oh, pauwi na. I don't know, it's you. Wait.
I like how it's big and little.
Oh, here. Choose one. Hello. Oh, choose. What you want? This jewels, Mr. Bubbles. The blue one. You like that one? No. Other one.
This is my sister.
Oh, dito kayo. Sit down. Sino wala? Oh, tingin dito ayan. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Ajay. Wala na, tapos na. Saan yun, di ba, July? Sumali kami sa ano yun eh. Mga parents ba? Track and field sports fest eh. Kita ko sa camera, nakita ko yun. Yung takbo mo, iba na eh.
Gising na, tara na,
Kita ko yung takbo ng tatay sa camera ko lang.
bit-bit ang ngiti,
Kaya sabi na dapat,
camera,
kala ko hindi na makapangi.
mama, papa, kids, kumpleto na. Sa bawat lakad, sayay kasama. Kahit saan man tayo mapunta, may kwento, may tawa, may alaala. Sa Jewel Channel, sama-sama tayo. Travel bonding, saya'y totoo. Hawak kamay kahit saan mapadpad. Family.
Father, oh, thank you.
You already have one.
Thank you, Father.
Kaya para sa kanila, lagay mo lang.
I'm gonna eat this.
Okay.
And this. Whoa.
Jewel, dance!
Dance. Ay, sus. Dance, Bella. Hey guys, thank you guys. Ngayon tapos na. See you later. Magpa-park kami. We're going to park now.
Buti lang malapit yung park.
Oh, dito kayo. Yan.
Blow it. I mean, blow it.
Oo nga, mahagip yan. Mahagip talaga yan.
saglit lang kasi naka-vlog si Kuya.
Ayun, nakagip oh.
Kaya sabi ko si Kuya.
Wala naman lututan dun, sis? Kami dito. Asa na yung mga anak namin? Nagkakapit tayo na ilang ko.
Gising na, tara na, araw ay masaya. Bit-bit ang ngiti,
Naglaro ko basketball sa Acton Park. Doon sa Acton Park? Doon kayo galing kahapon? Masarap din maglarong basketball eh.